안녕하세요, KitKat.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Arlene.
So you are now here. Kay, are you ready with your multiplication?
Yes.
Okay, so I will ask 10 questions, then answer it correctly. Okay? Okay. 5 times 3.
15
8 times 2.
equals 2 is 16.
Ayun, na ibalik ang akong question ha. Diretso na answer ha. Okay. 3 times 3.
9,
7 times 6.
32,
8 times 5.
40,
5 times 5.
25,
7 times 2. 7 times 2.
14,
9 times 9.
81,
7 times 9.
52,
Ha?
ay, 72,
Okay. 3 times 4.
12,
7 times 6.
32,
Okay, very good, KitKat. So, you're now past the multiplication. Then, I will inform you. Maybe tomorrow you're going to start, ha? I will inform you tomorrow, ha?
Okay.
Then, practice more para mas paspas imong pag-answer, okay? Okay,
Bye,
bye.
Teacher Arlene.
Okay. 안녕하세요, students. 안녕하세요. Good evening. Good evening, teacher Allen. Good evening, classmates. It's nice to see you this evening. So this evening, you are lucky because we have snacks, juice, and you have 5 packs of juice and 5 packs of choco pie, and that is from Ihojinim. Okay, Ate Honey, please distribute. Nakadawat na pwede na mukhaon. Sit down and start eating your snacks. Okay. Yummy? Okay, once again, Ihujinim, 감사합니다. 감사합니다. 감사합니다, Ihujinim. 감사합니다, Ihujinim. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, continue eating your snacks. 안녕하세요. So, I just make this one to recognize all my students. These are the special students. Of course, me is the teacher, the group teachers, elementary students, and high school students. It's looking for my self-study student, not yet. Make a picture. 안녕하세요, students.
Annyeonghaseyo, good evening.
So as you can see here, nana mo uniform tulo, study room uniform.
So kini nga uniform is dili ninyo niyo gamiton not unless kung live or naay mga event. Nagkasabot? So kini siya is dili ni siya pwede ninyo isuot kung maadto ra mo og merkado or mag-shopping. Shopping mo og kanang kuan. So dili ni ninyo pwede siya gamiton not unless kung natay event or monthly donation. Ha? So, kini siya is it take good care ni ninyo ha. Inyo ni siyang ampingan. Dili ni ninyo siya idamok-damok bisag asa. So, nakasabot? Sure? So, kining uniform is para ni Ashley. And this one is for Chito. And this one for Rosie.
Maktan Koresyanan Kamsanda.
Okay. Baliktad mo ha, Chito. Chito na baliktad. So, kana inyo hang kuan is new logo na ninyo ha. Ano na yung kuan. Wow. Kaigo lang? Kaigo na? So, Ashley. And Chito. And also Rosie. Okay na? Okay, bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Hi, Anna and Maxine. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So, how was your vacation, man?
Pera.
Okay, ra? Sorry, did you enjoy your modular system? At the same time, you can play, right? But be careful with the heat weather, okay? Don't go outside always, okay? So, I am here to deliver with you, each one of you, 2 pieces of Chokes to Go. Hana, money duha atin ha. And then, Maxine, and then Anna. And also, 2 boxes of Choco Pie for Anna and Maxine. And also, your allowance, pocket money, 200 pesos each. That is from Joon Shilmin.
Joon Sel님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Money mo ko, okay?
Yes.
You eat a lot. Okay? Bye-bye! Hi, Ellie. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So, how are you?
Pera.
Modular? No class in school? So, are you doing fine?
Yes.
You can play also? So, I am here to deliver 2 boxes of pizza and also 2 pieces of Chokes to Go and also 200 pesos for your pocket money. Okay, that is from Joon Shilnim.
Joon Sel님 감사합니다.
Eat a lot, okay?
Yes.
Money mo ko. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Samida!
감사합니다.
Hi, Anna. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요, Teacher Vivian.
So, how are you?
I'm okay.
You're okay. So, are you getting have fun while you're in modular class this week? Okay, good. So, as well, you have to study also, okay?
since it's modular. I am here to deliver your pocket money, 500 pesos from Juun Shilmin.
Joon Jilmin, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Study hard, okay? Bye-bye.
안녕하세요. Thank you so much for this Chokes to Go. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.